Licypriya nangon na wa ma haining e adu se video se reaction to rek ko no yeng min se
Someone took my mom's gold necklace from here. Two boys riding bicycle. We saw them while we were coming walking here to the street. And then we saw them. No, you. We asked. We were coming walking from here and we saw those boys coming riding the bicycle. They saw us. They saw my mom wearing the gold necklace. And while we were coming like from here, we were walking, they came from the back, they snatched my mom's necklace and then they went from here to there.
Não pode filmar a gente não. Deixa aí, tá aberto. Deixa aí, tá aberto. Tá aberto.
Licypriya noi na magi wa haining ko adu noi na magi necklace mang do mathu yaw na mang dri do marai bak phar bani ko salai kasubi macha noi live tawraga ke no noi ngang do yaning de ko to he thado pa wa kan se dio to ka se chu ipi ka se ham tile nanu chona na suhan aman lo chu na wang pha ka ti ne ho chi koi man no mo sa wen zo te la ka no mo sa no ji win na chi ama got na mo nga ka si hin mathu iti tan su ti ne hin na anu su agu pi lo bon to anu chona su gu pi lo bon to wang phana la hin na Facebook dinga ai lo le Instagram dinga za hin post on la adu e ta ning de ko adu nang di social activist ka karira khang de noi kasubi macha sing se amutang di yeng ning de ko kasubi macha sing se loi na bye bye to